How to make room service request in eGlobe PMS. Log into eGlobe HMS to access the dashboard, where you can view bookings, revenue, and software updates. Now, move to the PMS section from the top navigation bar. Click on Front Desk to access front office operations. To create a service request, click on Room Service Request. Select the desired room, choose the required service, and enter the necessary remarks for better clarity. Once all details are filled in, click on Submit to place the request. After submission, a service request icon will appear, indicating an active request. Once the service is completed, simply mark it as completed, and the icon will automatically disappear. For more information, call us at 9818880480.